I know it's not as effective as if it's in the dark, but before I go and snuggle down, that's one of the little cheapy things I got, a rechargeable light. So, where's the on button? Yeah, that's kind of bright in daytime. It's going to attract every bug on the fucking planet at night. So yeah, I think it's waterproof. I'm getting dripped on here. Yeah, it is raining quite a bit. So I don't notice it really. Yeah. Yeah, this tree got a lot of deadwood on it. I'm not sure if that music's getting closer, or I'm just getting more attuned to it. Better fucking not be. Ah, fucking bollocks. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go crash out. Oh, I'm gonna be getting something. The next time I get a pound off voucher, there are these magnets you can get. And basically you put one side on the outside of your sheet, hammock thing, and on the other side is the other part of the magnet, which has a hook on it. So I can hang stuff inside the tent. Hammock. Yeah, it's still a little bit low down, this thing. But, you know, I can stretch out. Biggest problem with this hammock, shit, is lack of storage. But I understand that because it's, you know, it's a hammock. You got a little baggie here, which is just the right size to put your phone in. You got your little baggie outside, which is what the hammock fits into, which at the moment has my flask of spirits. But I like the pockets to put stuff in. I've got the things I'm going to be getting at some point, the magnet with the hooky things on, but I'm so glad I brought that bloody paracord, because just having that line up there means I can have my radio, charger, crank, thingamajig, what you call it. Basically I can have music and my torch up there. So I can actually turn it on from inside the tent. Also, is my light bulb, which I can also turn on from inside. Come here. If I can find the button. There. Yeah. So that's kind of cool. I don't need it at the moment because I'm still got enough light to read by. I prefer to read by natural light than artificial light. For some reason my brain doesn't like me reading by artificial light. But it is a bit weird looking at that side and seeing an upward slope, and looking at that side, and it's a hell of a drop. It is a substantial drop down there. I keep hearing twigs breaking in the distance. I think it's deer up here. I know there are like roe deer and stuff in the woods. Hang on, something is walking. Something or someone. As it's starting to get now and again fairly windy, I want to move the sides into these tarps a bit closer. Literally just move it in, the stick, wind it up so it's still in detention, but with a sharper angle. So it's like this, reefs and pegs. Just wind it up and plug it down there. It's just to give it more of a steeper angle. It keeps the wind out because it is getting a bit. I mean, it shouldn't really be an issue. Tell you something, you can tell how thick that bloody tarp is because I actually got my light on. Yeah, that paracord is very handy. So that's me pretty much down for the night. I don't like reading by artificial light, so yeah. I keep hearing music, it's really annoying. There's some really nice trees around here. It's like a hippie. Nothing wrong with that. Pretty trees. I think it's like all oak. I mean, they're not huge trees, but they're really old. You can tell by the amount of moss you've got growing on them. It's a shame there's not much left in this flat country. They block Wi-Fi signals, that's why they cut down all the dense trees. It's a shame.